Sir Mike, young call Ejisu.
Yes, Papa.
Na Ejisu BBSC.
Yes, Ejisu.
Aden, woman auntie, almost saying.
Papa, Anra, and Ejisu 4.
Okay.
Led by the organizer. Yes.
Ejisu.
Aye. Even Gomash.
NDC organizer.
Aye. Gomash.
And you want to do any more because
aye. Now, Gomash, no, the NADMO director. I was just so.
You don't mean it.
I or you might
just only when you be crying.
Aye. And that's and I'm going to say, you don't come before no. I'm going to go and show you.
Oniana, on a Sichiana.
Aye. Oni. Aye. Oni. Gomash no.
Me bo Woni.
And you knew.
I'm
so we at Tapsuba. We at Tapsuba.
The Rebbe when you like it Tapsuba. Debbie.
When you go Mashu?
We Shai saying NDC constituency organizer.
Okay. No, we go Mashu near. Mova unko machimame.
Ona na wo inside hono.
Go Mashu
na wo ka cho mo say omu obi ani asem ho na manager no mo ne was.
Yes.
Okay.
Ono no okwadwo so a
go Mashu ni.
Minya ho no me ha no nti. But yes, go Mashu ni.
Okay.
Ona na admo director odwo so. On a lady crusade na nra. Enra me ankasa person me ne di nkomo. Around 2:30 ho. O confirm each say Mike ampa. Me and lady crusade no. Na dey tell say. Omo say time omo ye campaign no. Empany inform ma omo promises bi. Na bo champagne for share omo no. E akoya say ase woni akola de no maso akola. Na moduro bi na so be so no wan so akola no. Wan so na so ma akola no hu say oh, e bi enso amu na. Yan kontam nso be boyen ban ban phone kan asem nkyere wo mo NHIA National Health Insurance Authority ban phone asem bo say so mo winning lessons no a omo de be ma secretaries e wo every district
the NDC kai no hey we my Ghana na say to omo di kakra de kura to pransa
ai
enye di ebe
mo winning lessons no a
constituency secretaries and on be chafa.
Okay. Almost as asem bi nya no kura
good one there.
We. Okwa some of the district no a. Omo ye secretaries no. Omo na ye directors ema National Health Insurance Authority. 2. And beneficial mo say youth organizers. Ombema omo aba be ye omo friends say youth employment.
Which is a secretary na bon kra ye the NHIS. Osimo quote say be ma
no abon one. Na secretary ne empa. Then the party will look within. Executives no. One the information no. Don't forget say don't can. Reverend say offer the regional ministers are. Offer regional ministers are. Oh. Regional ministers no. On record say the Western regional chairman Ebwa Mesmebwa. Western regional chairman interview can say all the regional ministers no John Mahama His Excellency before elections no. Okay, say what the ama all regional chairman.
Oh, okay.
And the chairman na kwasi. Na Asante regional minister position no. Ene dia. And what the man Frank Amakohene.
Oh, okay.
Doctor, yes.
Oh, okay.
In the all the regions no. Regional chairman no. According to Western regional chairman, on penny promise almost say regional chairman. It will be bia na or regional minister bia or region bia no. Regional chairman no on them pa. No they am sanity. And I can say, omo ye youth. If I say, not before no, also youth organizers.
Okay.
No, omo organizers. And youth organizers no ye NHIA. In the position of my son,
my child, we can't tell what position.
Oko not more ofori krum. Ube omo youth organizer no.
Okay.
Oko joso, oko nti oko they were suffer bia no.
Yeah, man.
But their own panel. No, they ba ofro. Sanity you. Look up some tree. Almost secretary no. Omo de any somebody been power for 2 weeks ago. Almost echo local officer.
Oh, okay.
I was some tree.
Aye.
Emma, your name is something come over her. Or some boys in the casa. Papa, is some Alhaji Tapsoba. Or Tinaji, Dr. Tinaji.
Aye.
And there was some tree you to look with Shai.
Okay.
I catch him so don't mark on a branch of the Naban Koyajuma. Now I'm repairing on Betromonka.
Okay.
Ever seen a
Omonto.
And the Josephone say almost any amra. Engo Gusiaga.
Hey, na mama me wo mo abrante o man ba kona kasa no mama me sound no hi EZRA TV EZRA radio we Ejisu NDC mabru na take over wo mo National Health Insurance Office na
we manager nan office almost manager nan ko a
ga manager office asebini wo ba take over office dan kese we manager office asesa dey na kansa no indiscipline dia manager office san sam no mu di no we wo my Ghana japade why dia sam na manager office what kind of indiscipline behavior is this
manager office
em say mo hu ye ha ye na ye Ejisu NDC tax force na mo hu ye ha no kwai na enya body so esan say na ye wo manager e wo ha a health insurance manager ya promote na e de no call ba bi fufuro ye nim say NDC Ejisu ha ye kunkuden na ye ba power enti definitely mpanyimfo na omudi anim a ye kunkuden no ye di bebre e be hihye politics no won so ahwe nkwala na omofo mu a omo ye party mu adwuma no na omudi omo so ahihye o na obi akoma to nuam na mom ye nka bi hyemu ye manager ko ye be ma ye nipa a oda ye nim a ofri Ejisu ha no ye kofa obi efri ba bi e de no abrɛ ye wo ha sebio ye operation bebre bisa Ejisu ha ye ni kratini ya obetima hwe health insurance ha ye obebre wa mpanyifo na omudi ye de moye kunkudi ma party no ba power no bebre wa obetima di sadwuma no na adenti na omo no bu wo ye ma omo appointment bia na ye kofo obi afiri ba bi no krom ofiri ba bi ofiri ba no health insurance ye mfa no ko enti ne ye de ye kasa etiawa ye ni panyimu bia edi kasa bia de ye pen say ya ye kunkudi ma party no ba power no yem fa yem panyimfo no bi hyem na sebi o yem kwala no so no omo ntwa ye di omo anyi no omo hwe e wo yem pese omo kwa kwa obi a wonnim ye oba obeba betena ye wo party o power enso na ye wa ye mobo nti esra mo a ye kasa nyina no ye di panyin bia ni kasa bia na manager na ye de na aba no no krenya me anyi
enye wan pipi aban abreso a NDC aban abreso so enye yan kanchire o mo say mo wo grievances you don't just go and lock the office yet kromo na MPP ba ye a o mo kopam regional security coordinator etam no hiri efri wiem eto ne fa mpoma behwe form epu ye nyina tia ye kan ye do mo court the same NDC foi sorry na MPP na den ye kai de oni wo de na de mo de mo the executive fiat say mo kokoto office bi mu when we were telling you people at the time MPP 4 year anaga na ni bia e condemn no na mo de akire mo de campaign tia MPP 4 say wo mo ye indiscipline na sabe enye ewo MPP aban abreso a NDC 4 de ya mamu certificate say money nyi ade bi ho a kokototo aban office mu e de be suban bone nso no ya no ane say na amen Ghana ya mo de a chese ye ne a de obi anto aban ma ye no ye ne ye ni party no ye de ye mfa ye hwene enkonko wo ban what kind of behavior is that? This is indiscipline. National Security should act. Na mo sorry ye to abama wo na wo ba bedi aban so enkyere se Ghana ye wo de a Ejisu NDC say suban na no toilet amakwa akwaje market amakwa akwaje chese everything mo nkonkwaje MPP 4 ye bi enye ye nyina ya condemn Ghana so Ghana we cannot grow ye ntimi nyini we cannot just grow to the extent say betimi akase oh ade we de party penny for my friend my press conference money mo penny for akasa ma address penny for mo share yam boss we ni so at least the amuka no munya ho adwuma e mayen and of course obi abetimi hu say you have a concern NRA all working activities Ejisu came to a halt. Why? Because a certain group of NDC members had a concern. Say manager nabano yem peninti yen konko pamo manager